Good morning, guys, and Ramadan Mubarak. I hope you guys are having a lovely month so far. I wanted to kind of vlog for you guys today and show you guys my kind of like morning routine slash daily routine during Ramadan. It was so highly requested, so I thought I would do that for you. It's actually almost 10 o'clock right now, and it's kind of embarrassing, but Omar and I went to sleep after Fajr. So this morning, Omar woke me up 10 minutes before Fajr. We were like so late, so I like jumped out of bed. I made some eggs for myself. I made 2 eggs and 2 pieces of gluten-free toast, and I drank like a huge, like a liter of water. And I regretted that so much because I felt so uncomfortable. And Omar and I like prayed Fajr, and then we went back to sleep. Lately I've been trying to stay awake after Fajr, but last night we went to sleep at like 2 o'clock in the morning, so I was so exhausted. So I woke up around like 30 minutes ago and I got myself ready to vlog for you guys. I just kind of like straightened up because this room was like a disaster. And so yeah, I'm gonna walk you guys through like what I do during the morning. You know that feeling during Ramadan when you wake up in the morning and you're sitting there in bed and you're like, what reason do I have to get up right now? Because like you can literally can't eat breakfast or drink coffee. It's so dramatic. You're sitting there like if I can't have my coffee, then what is the reason that I need to get up and live? I mean, what is life? So Omar's still asleep, so I brought all of my skincare into our guest bathroom. So let me kind of show you the products that I'm going to be using. So I recently got a little fresh gift set from Sephora because I wanted to try out some of their products. And it came with the Fresh Rose Floral Toner, which I've been loving recently. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite serum called the Good Genes by Sunday Riley. It has such good results. I know it's really expensive, but it is so worth it. It's like one of my holy grail products. And then I'm gonna go in with this Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. This also came in a little set that I bought, and I've been loving it so much. And then this is the lip balm that I absolutely love. It's called the Lip Slip by Sarah Happ, and it kind of looks like a lip gloss. It's so pretty and hydrating. I love it. And then this is the Mario Badescu Rose Facial Spray. All of these products are literally like rose scented. I absolutely love rose, but I love using this during Ramadan. It just like wakes you up and it just gets you ready and prepped for the day. So this is my vlog room at the moment. I finally got the curtains up and I got a little chair. Actually, this is not the chair that I want to keep in here because I really want to get like a white chair so that it's like all white and pink. I have like my camera equipment and stuff kind of sitting out, and that little table is not going to stay here either. It's just kind of like for now, like so that I have something whenever I'm filming to like put my little microphone on and stuff. But yeah, I really love the way that it's like coming together. I have like my full-length mirror here and my little clothing rack and desk. I just can't wait to get like a really cute, I want to get like a really comfy white like a linen chair. I think that would be so cute, but all the ones that I found so far are like really expensive, so we'll see. So right now I'm going to put some essential oils into my diffuser, and I always like to do this during Ramadan, especially because since you can't have your coffee, it just kind of like wakes you up. Right now I'm going to use, what is this, peppermint, and usually this is pretty uplifting and it just kind of like energizes you. in a like more subtle way than caffeine. So now I'm gonna sit and read my book, When the Moon Split. This is a book that you guys recommended to me to read about the Prophet's life, peace be upon him. And one of my goals this Ramadan is just to kind of like learn more about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and just kind of like reignite my love for him. And I'm on page 61 now, and I'm really enjoying it. So I just finished reading some of my book. It smells so good in here from the essential oils. I highly recommend you guys doing that during Ramadan. It really just like helps wake you up and just makes you feel like alive when you can't have caffeine. So I brought all of my makeup in here. Let me show you, because Omar's still asleep in the bedroom and I don't want to wake him up. So I carried all of this in here so I can do my little routine for you guys. I've been really trying to do more of a like natural, like no makeup look recently. So I'm gonna kind of like speed through it with you guys. But if you guys want like a full like in-depth tutorial or something, then let me know. My makeup is done. I feel much more fresh and alive, and I really like the way that it's turning out. I'm using a lot more like cream products so that it looks like way more like fresh and dewy, and I just really like it. So while I was doing my makeup, I was listening to a lecture on the Bayina Institute YouTube channel, and most of them are, I think all of them are by Numan Ali Khan. I really enjoy listening to his lectures. Okay, so I just got dressed. I'm wearing a little crop top by ASTR, and then I'm wearing a long shirt dress underneath, and then I'm wearing some like just really old jeans from Forever 21 that I cut the bottoms off of, so they're like frayed. And this is my full look. I'm also wearing a chiffon hijab by Hot Hijab, and I think it's called Fawn, but I'm not sure. I'll link it down below. So I'm just really liking the way that my skin looks with all of those products. It just looks like so glowy, and it just doesn't even look like I'm wearing any like powdery makeup. I absolutely love it. I'm wearing my hijab like a little bit more loose today. Like recently my hijab style is like feeling so constricting, maybe because it's getting like warmer outside. But so yeah, I'm gonna try this out today. I don't have any pins on right now. I may put a few like in the back or something. I don't know. I'm still like just testing out this hijab style, but I really like the like more flowy look on me. So right now I'm just sitting down to write my grocery list. I'm going to the grocery store today so I can get food so I can meal prep this week for work. And I think I'm gonna film me meal prepping for you guys so I can give you some really easy, really yummy iftar ideas for Ramadan. After I go to the grocery store, I think me and my sisters are gonna go run some errands. I really wanna find some Ramadan and Eid decor for my house. I really wanna get like some lanterns and put some little like twinkle lights inside. I think that would be so cute. We're also gonna go to Walmart because I have to do a video for Maybelline, and I'm super excited about that because there's a lot of new products from Maybelline that I really wanna try, and Maybelline is one of my favorite drugstore brands, so I'm excited for that video. Okay, so here's my full look. I'm wearing this Claire V straw little bag, and then I have some Marc Fisher big wedges on. I usually don't wear heels like this high, but these are really comfy. I've been wearing the Arizona Proenza Schuler scent, and this is the most gorgeous perfume. It was sent to me like a couple months ago, and I just started wearing it. It's the perfect spring summer scent. I absolutely love it. So my sisters are here to pick me up, so I'm gonna go ahead and meet them outside, and I will see you guys in my next vlog.